Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.
Are you living with chronic tendon pain in your feet, ankles, knees, or shoulders? If so, there's a new procedure available here at Roper St. Francis that's delivering long-lasting pain relief. Dr. Kevin Smith explains.
The Tenex procedure is a minimally invasive procedure with very little damage to normal tissue, with a very small incision, which is usually about 3 millimeters, and we place a needle. That needle emits ultrasound energy to break up that tissue and then leave the normal tissue intact.
If rest, ice, and anti-inflammatories don't help, this Tenex procedure can help patients avoid a major surgery to treat plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendon problems, and golfers or tennis elbow.
It's a much shorter recovery than major surgery. Some of the patients get immediate pain relief. Most patients get significant pain relief within the first 2 weeks. It's a relatively new procedure and starting to become more mainstream, but the results have been very good and very little complications.
To see if you qualify for the Tenex procedure, call 724-2548. And for more House Calls TV, go online to rsfh.com. I'm Angela May.
Roper St. Francis Healthcare's House Calls TV.